Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today promises to be an absolute cracker of a day. We're driving down to Waihi to have a look at the cars that are taking part in the Beach Hop, which is New Zealand's version of rock and roll and hot rods. And just to get down there, we are taking the all-new Mustang GT. We'll go through the specs real soon, but here's your first glimpse. Very menacing. So here's a couple of spec talks. So the front end has been completely changed. Well, certainly adapted very, very well. Lower sweeping on the bonnet. Some deeper vents in the nose. The bonnet, air vents is a pony. There you go. Let's see if we can get it in the background. Flowing lines. The rear end's really cool. I think it's got a lot more of the old Mustang involved in it. Inside, plenty going on. Sync 3 and the 12-inch dash. $33 extra kilowatts to $339, and you can really notice the difference, especially with the 10-speed gearbox. It's lovely. Inside Ford's new Mustang, and it's quite a nice cockpit to be in. Actually, the whole car's been refined, been spruced up, so to speak. There's a 12-inch display on the dashboard that can be manipulated and moved to whatever you want. It's got various tones that you can change the exhaust notes to, from quiet, as if you're going to track, and the whole interior feel is just far more upmarket than it was before. Not that it was rubbish before, that's for sure, but certainly more upmarket. There's more of a tactile feel to the dash, you'll be able to hear, and yeah, it's just a lot more comfortable. I mean, it does have Recaro seats in this one, which is an option, but you know, who doesn't like Recaro seats? The big thing about this car though is just the sound, and so by dropping it down a gear or unleashing the horses, it does really nicely. Such a great sound. So here I am at Beach Hop. Well, actually, in Waihi, with all the cars from Beach Hop, and there's so much to see. Take a look at what we can find around. Even Elvis is here. So plenty of gold to be found in Waihi. Until next time.